Fix Windows Security Virus and Threat Protection Red X error in Windows 11. Issue: Windows Security shows a red X on virus and threat protection. Step 1. Restart your computer. Save your work and restart the PC. Let Windows load completely. Check if the red X disappears automatically. Step 2. Open Windows Security manually. Press the Windows key and search for Windows Security. Open Virus and Threat Protection. Check if any warning or action is pending. Step 3. Turn on real-time protection. Open Virus and Threat Protection settings. Enable real-time protection. Also enable cloud-delivered protection if disabled. Step 4. Remove third-party antivirus. Uninstall old antivirus software temporarily. Restart your PC after uninstalling. Let Windows Defender activate automatically. Step 5. Restart security services. Press Windows R and type services.msc. Find Security Center and Windows Defender Antivirus Service. Restart both services manually. Step 6. Update Windows Security definitions. Open Windows Security settings, go to Protection Updates, download the latest Security Intelligence update. Step 7. Run a full virus scan. Open Virus and Threat Protection. Select Full Scan option. Remove or quarantine detected threats. Step 8. Repair corrupted system files. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run sfc scanow. Wait for Windows to repair damaged files. Step 9. Install pending Windows updates. Open Windows Update settings. Install all available updates. Restart the computer after installation. Step 10. Reset Windows Security app. Open Windows Settings. Apps. Find Windows Security. Advanced options. Click Repair or Reset and restart the PC.